The Simp economy composite is pushing 1775 this session, up 68 basis points, with nearly $1.3 trillion of tracked romantic capital in motion, and more men advancing toward women than retreating, 5-4, which in this market counts as a landslide. I'm Samuel Simp at the Simp Economy Exchange, your home for the only index where your feelings are a financial instrument. Tips is leading the board up over 2%, meaning thoughtful gestures are outperforming expectations, while Ring is the session's biggest drag, down nearly 2%, so apparently nobody's ready to close that particular deal just yet.
The sponsor economy is sitting on $500 billion of tracked cap and still can't get more stocks going up than down. That is the kind of lopsided optimism that built this entire asset class. I'm Queen Diva at the sponsor economy desk on the Simp Economy Exchange, where the composite spawn is up 1.99% to 585.44, while the breadth picture tells a completely different story, 3 advancing against 4 declining. Groom is the session's best-dressed name, tacking on 1.81%, while Kicks is getting walked all over at negative 2.5%.
The Grindset Index is sitting at 1,010 points and change, up 1.27%, with 5 names bleeding red against only 4 in the green. So yes, the market is technically rising while the majority of its components are losing, which is either a metaphor for something or a crime. I'm Zach Grindset at the Grindset Index desk on the Simp Economy Exchange, where $940 billion of tracked cap is apparently being held aloft by a very small number of very disciplined shoulders. Wheels leads the session with men investing in personal mobility and self-development, while Play continues its Q3 sell-off, because the market has once again decided that leisure is a liability.
Men are outspending everyone else on women by a margin that makes the sponsor economy look like a rounding error, with Simp commanding $1,297.0 billion in market cap against Spawn's $537.0 billion. A gap so wide, you could park the entire Grindset index in it and still have room for regret. Speaking of grind, men investing in themselves are posting the session's strongest gain at up 1.27%, suggesting a small but statistically significant cohort has discovered the gym, while Spawn leads percentage gains at 1.99%, meaning women are accelerating their spend on men at a pace that would be impressive if the denominator weren't so humbling. Q3 2026 is shaping up as the quarter where the Simp economy holds the throne. Self-improvement quietly outperforms, and the sponsor economy grows fast, mostly because it started small. Full data and live cross-market feeds at simpx.exchange.